Hello everybody, welcome back to Artistic Amber. If you didn't know, I changed my profile picture for my YouTube channel. It's a heart with an A inside. And I also changed the name for my YouTube channel named Artistic Amber. Today we're going to be making an art cube. I have a quick sample right here, and it's basically like a dice. You just roll it and a question comes up. Does art need color or can you choose? So we're going to go through all the questions. I'm going to walk you through the instructions, and yeah, let's get started. The materials you're going to need is 3 markers you love. I love this slimy green, a blue, and some pink. Some scissors, Sharpies. I have 3, just in case. I have thicker Sharpies. I have different colors, but they're double-sided. This one's thin and this one is thick, but I don't really know why I have them. Just in case if like those ones run out, but I just have them in case. Some tape, glue, and that's all you'll be needing for right now. So we're gonna get started by coloring. So you can color with any colors you want, and it has to be 3 colors. And I don't care what colors you choose, so let's start. Colored so messy and I scribble, but I colored outside of the black lines. That is totally fine if you do that, even on purpose, because when we cut out the outline, it won't show, because we're gonna color this out. Now we're gonna do writing. So, our first question is, what does art mean to you? So we're gonna write that down, and then we're gonna answer it. Don't forget that question mark. So art means color to me. For me, I love that suggestion because I can't have art without color. If you guys love art because I love building, I love writing stuff. Yeah, so maybe that's your opinion. And next question is, does art need color or can you choose? So for me, it's kind of like this one. I need color because I can't live without art and color. So, but for you, maybe you like black and white. That's fine. Black and white. I like black and white, but I like color more than black and white. So the next question is, can you do art the way other people tell you to do it, or can you do it your way? So when you're really small for this one because it's a really long question. I really like this question is because if you just use, if you're using this Sharpie to write a thin one, and then your friend just comes up and like, oh, you should use the thick Sharpie. It works way better. Don't do that. Don't listen to them. Do it your way. Next question is, do you have to like art? No. This is definitely a no. I think it's a no because if you guys like math a lot and then your friend comes up and be like, you should get into art now, and don't listen to them because that's not right. Listen to your mind. So the next question is art just a subject or can it be anything? I have a reminder for you guys. If you guys want this sheet for the cube template, you just go to google.com and type cube printable template, 3 words. And then you can find one that works for you and then print it out and you can do this activity. So for this question, I think this is a really good question. It's not just a subject, right? I do it in school, but it can also be anything because art is literally everything is made out of art. We're making this out of art. This whole world was built out of art. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. The last question is art just for kids or can it be for anyone? This one's a really good question. It's actually for anyone because my sister loves art. I love art. My mom loves art. My dad loves art. My grandparents love art. So yeah, a lot of people love art. Not even adults can love art. So that's all the questions. Now I'm gonna put on some music. You guys can listen to it. You guys can cut out your template, and after that, we're gonna start building. circles on the side. So now we're gonna actually build a thing. So how I did it here is I just started by folding the edges. So like when you do it, it won't be as hard. Like, how do I do this? So it's gonna be like really wonky and curved. So I would fold edges first, including these flaps, and then we'll get started. Now we can do this. I think I just need to glue this flap, and then we can glue this. Yeah. Successful. Yeah, really successful. Now we have to do the rest. I'm just really scared for this part because when you like glue this and when you put it in, there's no like opening, so you can't like push it in. So this one is the tricky part. I'm done. I'm not gonna lie, but this actually took a pretty long while, and it was hard gluing pieces together. But it was really fun, and I hope you had fun. You can play with this art cube whenever you want, when you're bored, or whenever you want. I don't really know when you're gonna be bored, or yeah. So I hope you had fun making and playing with this art cube, and see you later. Bye.